Hello everyone. So first of all, my name is Abdul Rauf and today we're going to talk about support vector machines or SVMs. So let's start our video. So first of all, what is support vector machine or SVM? A SVM is also a machine learning algorithms, obviously like the other we saw random tree. So SVM are used to classify data into groups, predict values, determine anomalies, and segment data accuracy using advanced mathematical techniques. Okay, so let's see why we use SVM instead of random forest. It has high accuracy for classification tasks, effective with high dimensional data. High dimension means more features or X values, and it also works well with non-linear data using kernels. What are the kernels? We talk about it in this video. So let's see how SVM works. So first, it maps data to the higher dimensions. Like SVM use kernel functions to transform data into higher dimension space for easier separation. So kernel functions are used to transform data into higher dimensions. Okay. It also find the optimal generating hyperline. It identifies the best hyperline that maximize the merge between different classes in the transformed space. Okay. So it classifies data based on this boundary. New data points are classified based on their position related to the hyperline, ensuring accurate predictions. Okay, so let's see how can we build an SVM. Well, building an SVM is like any other machine learning algorithm. First, you have to import libraries, then you have to load and prepare data, then you have to initialize the SVM model, and then you have to train the model, and after that you have to make the predictions and then evaluate the model. So yeah, these are the six basic steps for building an SVM. Let's see one by one. So first, importing libraries. So you have to import necessary libraries such as sklearn or scikit-learn for SVM implementation and other libraries for data manipulation. Now here you can see I show you code. First I import NumPy as NP, then I import from SQL and I import data sets. Then from SQL and model selection I import train test split from where we split our data into train and test data sets. Then I also import SVM model which is SVC. It is C full form is classifier. So SVM SVM classifier. Then also you can see from SQL and matrix I also import the accuracy score to see what is our score of accuracy in the model. Okay, so this was the first step. Now second step to load and prepare data. In this example, I import the data set default data set from sklearn, which was iris data set. Where you can see iris data set load iris data set. After that, you can see I show the X means the features in the data sets and Y means the thing we gonna predict target. Okay. So now you can see I split the data into X train, X test, Y test using the train test split method. Here you can see use the size of test size is 20%, 0.2 man 20%, and then you can see a random state for 2. You can pick any number here. It is a random state. So here you can see I use X train and Y train for the training and X test and Y test for the test purpose. So see how model is good with the new data. If I use the same data, then it might not perform very well. Okay, so yeah, this was second step. Now let's see the third step. Third step is to initialize the SVM model. So first you have to choose an SVM model with an appropriate kernel. Example, linear, polynomial, or RBF. Okay, so you can see I use RBF kernel. So now you can see I initialize the model. So after that, you can see I train the model. Training the model in with a sklearn library is very easy. I already explained the sklearn library in the previous video. I show the link in the description. Okay. So now you can see here I train the model by fitting it with the X train and Y train, showing the target labels, showing the target and the data points. Here you can see X train are the data and these Y train are the targets. Now it is training on this data set and then it will split the new data set from the X test points. Okay. So now you can see as PMD model fitting the model. After that, you can see now it will make the prediction on the test set data set. Here you can see X test data set. The test data set it is never seen before. So it will be little hard for him. So now it is predicting the test based on the training it got. After that, you can see in the sixth step, we you create the model. Access the model performance with using appropriate matrices. Like examples are accuracy or precision car. I use accuracy only. So now you can see accuracy showing the accuracy here. It might show the 100% accuracy or 1.00, which means 100%. So yeah, this was the parts of the code you should remember. It was the basic example. I know there is a lot that we have to cover, but we cover in other models. Okay. So now you can see the full code here, which I already show you. So yeah, this was the basic intro about the SVM. It is very easy and very effective solution for the machine learning task. It is used for many tasks, and it is very better than decision tree or random forest. Okay, so yeah, this was all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like it. If you wanna discover more, feel free to discover more. I will be uploading more video about machine learning algo, which where I show more examples and go more deeper. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. See ya.